It's not about
Yeah.
perfection, it's about connection.
We're excited that you're on the roster.
If you connect people to the music, you connect people to the emotion and the feeling, and then you
Yeah.
connect those people who are singing with the audience, that is the highest form of music. And
Yeah.
learning how to do that well and putting that as your North Star for every piece of music that you do
Yeah.
is absolutely correct. And so I'm glad to be able to be a part of it and add a little something different.
It's something different that I'm really excited about. I thought it might be good for us to kind of expand kind of all of our concepts of group singing.
Things that popular music does really well is teaching you how to use your voice with a whole bunch of different colors. Very often when you're working with choral masterworks, we've got, this is the canonical O, this is the canonical A, it's all vowels. We want this sound. That's what we're aiming for. That's the gold standard. But when you're singing different idioms, different styles of popular music, you sing a country music song, you need to sound like this. If you don't sing Dolly Parton with these vowels, it's wrong, right? And by the same token, if you're singing folk music or shape music, if you're singing vocal jazz with different scat syllables, if you're singing rock with, with different enunciation and different phrasing, all of that matters. Also, the concept of rhythm is so fundamental to different styles of popular music around the world and through time. And that's something that we really will dig into and get people much better at. How do you use your voice rhythmically? How do you use your body to become a metronome? And how do you lock into this groove? How do you get so locked into the groove that everyone in the audience just starts bopping along with you? And I really will be picking pieces with different vocal colors and different styles, so it'll be a nice sampler platter. And all of these skills are absolutely tremendously complementary and useful in all styles of music. And the most important thing of all is learning how to sing with consistent emotional expression.
They're going to learn something that is instantly usable to make their singing experience better in every situation.
That is 100% the goal. And the whole time, have a blast.